Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to build a modern calculator using pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is not a basic calculator. It has a modern glassmorphism, proper input validation, error handling. First, we start with the basic HTML structure. We create a main container called calculator. This acts as the wrapper for our entire app. Inside the calculator, the first thing we add is the display section. The display uses an input element. It shows numbers and results. It is set to read-only. Users cannot type directly into it. Below the display, we create a buttons container. Each button has either data value for numbers and operators, data action for clear, delete, and equals. This approach is very clean and scalable because JavaScript doesn't depend on button text. Logic becomes reusable and readable. Now let's talk about the CSS. First, we apply a gradient background to the body. This instantly makes the UI look modern. Then we create a glassmorphism effect using background backdrop filter blur. This gives the calculator a frosted glass look. Buttons are rounded, slightly transparent, animated on hover. When you hover over a button, it scales up slightly, the background becomes brighter. It improves user experience. We also add an error animation using CSS keyframes. If the user enters an invalid calculation, the display shakes, the background turns slightly red. This is visual feedback, which is a big UX plus. Now let's move to the most important part, JavaScript. First, we select the display element, all calculator buttons. Then we define an array of allowed operators like plus, minus, multiply, divide, and percentage. Instead of writing logic for every button, we loop through all buttons, attach one event listener, handle everything from one function. Next, we add keyboard support. This allows users to type numbers, use operators, press enter for equals, use backspace and escape. This feature alone makes your project feel professional. Now let's talk about validation. We prevent multiple operators in a row, invalid expressions, infinite results like division by 0. Before appending any value, we check what the last character is, whether the new input is valid. This avoids crashes and wrong results. If something goes wrong, we catch the error, trigger the error animation. So this is how you can build a modern hackathon-ready calculator using pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.